Yakamet jong uba nil Nongkynrih unong seng jong ke kenuhun ruai bapau nam balatip kum ke Shillong shamba choir 8 poi menta ke Shiteng miet hamnong ba Guwahati. Yakamet jong uti urang ba balakin tiu ba ya ke gerteng jong ke Meghalaya hakarwai ke siau la senran de ke pulit ke riboy haringkat ke magistrate naduk kat leng suin Guwahati shadu Mawphor. Halenti kala donru ke jeng ai kublei pendon buram khadu yaute urang ba kuntup nadu ka Jiva Resort bat kiwe. Kumban chupen ken mau uba anil ulakla no hanin ke janmet singi balang ha Mumbai hadin ke jingshi tom ka balabat ya u katu ka Newport. Nakaliang jong u Mawphor ulayo ru uban yekren but way ni ki dukot jong Shillong shamba kwaya ubala senran lang ya kan met jong uba anil.
Uncle Neil was a leader truly at heart who did not leave it that after he left, everything is gone. All these years, he brought us up and imbibed everything. Each one of the choir members has a part of Uncle Neil in us, if not all of it with us. And our dream and our vision is to fulfill all of his works and his desires. We are already thinking of what the plan is for the future. And we don't know who's going to take it forward and this and that. Those things have to sit down once all of this grieving process is over, and we will take it forward. And there's a fire, I was just telling people just now, there's a deep fire burning in our heart, more than before, that this is a legacy of Uncle that we will take forward. It's a tremendous period of grief for all of us, especially when we heard the news, because he was like a father to us. And he brought us up in so much goodness and love, especially, and to love our people. That's so important. How much he prayed for our people in the hidden. I think people don't know that. But now that he's no more here, I want to say that whoever's watching this, he was a deep man of prayer, and almost every day he would cry out to God for his people. That's how much he loved his people.
Last but not the least, what is his last words, like for the Meghalaya and especially in the music?
His last words, his last words were, "I'll see you soon." As simple as that.
Boom.
See you soon to us and to whoever meets him in heaven, where he is, and we shall see him soon. As I said earlier as well, I will not speak on Uncle Neil's behalf. I think that Uncle Neil speaks through his music. Listen to Nongkynrih sha Meghalaya. It's there. That song he wrote when the state was going through much turmoil, and he wrote that from his heart for his people. Let that be the message from his own words for the people. I think the message is in the song that we released, and that is Nongkynrih sha Meghalaya. And I think the message that he wants to give to the rest of Meghalaya and to all of you is in that song itself. So please listen to it. And that is, Uncle Neil wrote those words from his heart, and he left everything in the UK and all a promising career to come back to Shillong and to start the Shillong Chamber Choir, which has brought honor and glory not only to our state, not only to our region, but the entire country. And he is a man who loved his people. He loved his people so much. So honor him and his memory. We're not sure of NGOs, not that we are aware of, because everything was done in a rush. It was an emergency. He only passed away yesterday. So we just, whatever help we could get, and that's all we know as of now. But I'm sure help will keep coming as the days go on.